Hello everybody and welcome to this channel. My name is Agina.
And my name is Nikki.
If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and now you can support the channel by clicking on a link somewhere on your screen.
Yes.
Today's video is about simple verbs of you doing something in the house or at work. So this is going to be very interesting. Welcome, and I hope you enjoy. So we start with I have.
I have.
Angi.
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 Can you give me an example of what you have?
I have a banana in my hand.
Angi rabolo elweta.
Angi rabolo elweta.
Angi rabolo elweta.
Angi rabolo elweta.
Elweta.
Lueta.
Start again.
Angi rabolo elweta.
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 Start again.
Angi rabolo elweta.
Yes. Angi rabolo elweta. I think.
I think.
What do you think?
I think of eating
I knew it had to be food. I think it will rain tomorrow.
or maybe today.
I think.
So,
Aparo ni koth biro chwe kiny.
aparo ni koth biro chwe kiny.
So that is, I think it will rain tomorrow. Again?
I need.
Aparo. Say it again.
Aparo koth biro chwe kiny.
Aparo ni.
Aparo ni koth biro chwe kiny.
Kiny. Not
Kiny.
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 Kiny. Aparo ni koth biro chwe kiny.
Aparo ni koth biro chwe kiny.
Okay. I need
to sweep the floor.
Yeah. Onego adwaro. I need is adwaro.
No, adwaro is I want. And we already have I want somewhere in the list.
I need and want are need and want are very difficult to differentiate.
Yes, but a need is like you need, and a want is like you just.
So don't adwaro, then both way will be adwaro.
Well, you comment down below what you think it is.
Yeah. You tell us what you think. Because I need is adwaro, and I want is also adwaro.
Yes.
Good. We shall move on, but if you get a good answer, please just give us the answer down below, and we shall appreciate your feedback. I know.
I know that you are watching this video.
Ang'eyo ni ineno picha ni.
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 Ang'eyo.
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 You know, many people don't know how to say nge.
Nge. Nge. Nge. Not nge. Ang'eyo.
Yeah, many people say ang'eyo. It's ang'eyo.
Ang'eyo. There's an apostrophe.
Ang'eyo.
Like you say sing. You say like that. Ng. Ng.
I am.
I am Nikki.
An.
Nikki.
Yes, I am an.
We should give another example of I am.
Like which one?
I am cooking vegetables.
In that case it ceases to be an, but now it goes to a. Tedo a lot.
Atedo a lot.
Tedo a lot.
Atedo a lot.
I am. So the I am part is a. I remember.
Oh. I remember. This puzzle took 6 months to solve.
Aparo ni picha ni nokaowa dweche 6 mondo walosi. Aparo ni picha ni nokaowa dweche 6 mondo watieki. Aparo ni picha ni nokaowa dweche 6 mondo watieki.
Aparo ni picha ni okawa dweche 6 mondo watieki.
Good. I hope.
I hope this pandemic ends. Yes.
An gi geno ni midhusi ni biro rumo.
An gi geno ni midhusi ni
Biro rumo.
An gi geno ni midhusi ni biro rumo.
I control. Anyalo loko duonda.
Anyalo loko donda. Anyalo loko donda.
Anyalo loko duonda.
Anyalo loko duonda.
Matek kendo mayom. Yeah, I can control my voice high and low. Okay.
I feel excited for this video.
An gi mor ne picha ni. I say
that I'm wearing an orange shirt.
Orange is a very difficult color.
Okay, whatever.
Green.
I say that we don't have a green background.
Awacho ni waonge kod picha majan. Awacho ni waonge kod picha majan.
Ni waonge kod picha mar majan. Majan.
Awacho ni waonge kod picha majan.
Awacho ni waonge kod picha majan.
Yes. I stay.
I stay in a house.
Adak e ot.
Wait, let's create a song. Adak. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Adak e ot. Adak e ot. Adak e ot. I write
a letter
to my mother.
Andiko
barua ne minwa.
Andiko barua ne minwa.
I learn
subjects in school.
Apuonjora. How do you call subjects?
Okay, let's say
I learn math in school.
Yes.
Say I learn math. Well, cut this part.
I learn math in school.
Apuonjora kwano e sikul.
Apuonjora kwano e sikul.
I complete
a puzzle.
Atieko tugo mar picha.
Atieko tugo mar picha.
Yes.
Atieko
tugo mar picha.
Because
if you say atieko, it's different. Atieko tugo mar picha. Yes. I dance.
I dance in a party.
Amiel e nyasi.
Amiel e nyasi.
Not e.
E.
Amiel e nyasi.
Amiel e nyasi.
Not a. Amiel e nyasi.
Amiel e nyasi.
Amiel e nyasi.
Amiel e nyasi.
I sing.
I sing.
Mm-hmm.
I sing a song. I sing a song to nature.
Awero wer ne bunge.
Awero wer ne bunge.
Awero wer ne bunge.
Awero wer ne bunge.
Yes. I talk.
I talk.
Mm-hmm.
I talk to humans every day.
Aloso gi dhano pile ka pile.
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 I run.
I run.
Mm-hmm.
I run around the yard.
Aringo kaluoro. Aringo kaluoro ot. That might be I run around the house. Okay. Aringo ka aluoro ot.
Aringo ka aluoro ot.
Aringo ka aluoro ot.
Aringo ka aluoro.
Aluoro.
Aluoro ot.
I read.
I read.
Mm-hmm. I read the Bible every day.
Yes.
Asomo ga muma pile ka pile.
Asomo ga muma pile ka pile. Why not pile pile?
You can say pile pile, but you can also say pile ka pile. Pile pile is just contracting, like you're removing some parts because you don't want to say.
Oh.
But you can just say pile ka pile. It's actually pile ka pile, but you can say pile pile. Yes, to contract it.
Okay.
Yes. I carry.
I carry.
Mm-hmm.
I carry a book in my hand.
Atingo book elweta.
Atingo book elweta.
Atingo book elweta.
Atingo book elweta.
Yes, it's lweta.
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 Atingo book lweta.
Atingo book lweta.
Atingo book lweta.
Atingo book lweta.
Yes. I bend
I bend.
while tying my shoes.
Yes.
Akulora ka atweyo wochena.
Akulora ka atweyo wochena.
Akulora ka atweyo wochena.
Akulora ka atweyo wochena.
I jump.
I jump.
I jump over the fence.
I jump over the
Achikora. Fence. Chiel. Oh, achikora ewi chiel.
Achikora ewi chiel.
Achikora ewi chiel.
Achikora ewi chiel.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Mm-hmm.
I sleep because I need energy.
Anindo nikech adwaro teko.
Anindo nikech adwaro teko.
Anindo nikech adwaro teko.
Anindo nikech adwaro teko.
You see, now we said I need.
Yes.
Adwaro. You see? I see. I see.
I see a cloud in the sky.
Aneno boche e polo.
Aneno boche e polo.
Aneno boche e polo.
Aneno boche e polo.
Yes. And we have come to the end of the part 1
Part 1 we have
of this video. We still have like 1,000 more things. So just go wash your hands, come back and click on the videos again. Okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. And now you can support our video by joining the channel. We have a join button. We shall put it along somewhere around this video or in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and give us a like. It helps. It really, really helps the video. One like gives us like 10 more people to watch the video. Otherwise,
Oriti.
Bwana tupe
I translate.
faraja.
Wait.
Ya nini ya mami na usikiza.
Mom, turn down your volume.
Lord God, no.
Okay.
Aya, tuanze. Answer.
Is
At
it-
least you
is
you
it
change.
recording?
Yeah, it is already recording.
Okay.
But you don't just go.
Let me go. Okay, let's go. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is Nikki. And his name is Agina. Now, today we are going to talk about I and the verb. Sindio.
Hey, Aniki, anza vizuri. Anza.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Low English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina. Alright, 20.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Low English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina. Today we want to talk about this. Okay?
Yes.
So, what are you going to do here? Wacha kucheka.
Okay, let's try again. Hello, welcome to Low English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
Wacha ni introduce.
Okay.